KRIS 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noon time, everybody. 89 degrees already. That'll put us right back to 93, 94 for today. Actually, we have a few little more clouds, so we'll probably stay in the 93 range. The easterly wind is beginning to pick up, and that sort of helps. Remember, a couple of days ago it was no wind at all. Today we're getting a little bit more of a sea breeze, but temperature still on the ridiculous category, and it looks like it's going to stay there for quite some time. We're looking at probably 95 in the inland areas. Everybody on the other side of 77 is going to be at or near 100. So again, we are here. It is summer. We're looking at these brutal temperatures, and if you're working outdoors, we just want to make sure you get plenty of fluids and don't overexert yourself, because for the next couple of days, the heat index will be up at 105. Now, I know a lot of heavy industry is concerned about that number because they've got people working outdoors. So they need to know that not today, but tomorrow being your Thursday and Friday, we should have a heat index of 105. So that may have something to do with your schedules. Now, as you can see here today, the advisory is for the counties to the west of us. Tomorrow, it'll be right on top of us. Again, you know, when we say high pressure, that's basically a big dome of air, kind of like a hill, and that is on top of us. Nothing will go through that. It has to go around it or under it or something like that. If this were to go northbound, it would open up the door for tropical activity. But through the next 5 days, it's staying on top of us and deflecting all of the storms to the north and to the south as well. There are the remnants of what used to be Alberto. It's raining heavily throughout the Ohio River Valley. That is going to go eastward and bring them a lot of rain. Whenever you see this map and you see this orange right here, that means hot, okay? That orange means hot. Up here, it means cool when it's in green, but that's hot. And when it gets red, that means even hotter, okay? And here's what we've got, because the pressure will actually increase, pardon me. We are looking for a little bit of an increase in the temperature as we get to the weekend. So we go from bad to worse because of this bubble setting up over us over this weekend. Saturday is going to be extremely hot over all of Texas. Not good news for anybody, much less the farmers that are having to deal with this drought, where we're about 50% of our average rainfall. By the time we get to early next week, it looks like there'll be a lessening of the ridge. In other words, the temperatures may come down slightly, but nonetheless, we will continue above normal for this time of year. Let's see if we can get up our 7-day forecast. Pretty simple forecast. Sunny all the way through. Yeah, a few little clouds in the morning hours, but that's about it. And temperatures over the weekend will be at or near record heat. So we're looking at nothing that is normal here. This is nothing like it used to be for the last 30 years. All of these summers are getting hotter and they're getting longer due to climate change. That's your forecast from the La Palmera Mall. We'll toss it back to Mike.
All right, Mac, we do appreciate that.